Hi guys, happy Memorial Day. First, I'd like to say God bless all who have served our country and all their families who have sacrificed along the way. It means so much, and it's something that we all need to remember and be grateful and thankful for. But anyway, on to today. We are entertaining, and I'm going to take you kind of like what we do to prepare for company. So stay tuned. Stay tuned. Hey guys, we are gearing up for our Memorial Day celebration, and we are going to be doing shish kebabs. So I am getting the vegetables ready, and then I'll be preparing the meat. So we are starting out with some red onion, some red and orange bell pepper, some yellow squash, and some whole baby bella mushrooms. And I'm just going to cut these up and probably toss them with some olive oil and seasonings, and then I will stick them onto skewers with my meat. Easy peasy. So I just chopped up my red onion, and I kind of like them like this. So when you put them on the skewers, it holds the meat and the veggies on perfectly. So anyway, I just pile all my vegetables in a bowl, and then zip, you put them on the skewers. All cut up, ready to go. Found some green zucchini, organic. All right, all my vegetables are cut up and ready to go. Now I'm gonna wash my meat and get it prepared. So now I have boneless, skinless chicken breasts, and I'm just gonna wash these and cut them up. Washed chicken, now I'm gonna pat it dry, and then I can cut it up into cubes. All right, what I have here are some ribeye steaks, and I'm just gonna cut these and cube them. Easy peasy. So now I've cubed up some of this meat, and I am leaving some of the fat on per the request of my husband, because he said it only adds to the flavor, and then once it's cooked he just pulls it off, but it really does enhance the taste of the meat. So I did cut some fat off, but I left a little bit on for him. So my chicken is cubed, all my vegetables, and my beef. So now I'm ready to start skewering them. But let me go to the next step. So now what I'm gonna do is put a lot of my vegetables in this bowl, and then I'm gonna add olive oil and seasonings and coat it real well. All right, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go in with some organic olive oil, and then I'm gonna drizzle it all over the top. Then I'm gonna add some coarse ground black pepper, some garlic powder, some parsley flakes, and some Mediterranean sea salt. And then I'll toss this all together, and this just helps so that when you put it on the skewers, it not only adds flavor, it enhances the taste of the vegetables, but it also helps prevent the vegetables from sticking on the hot grill. So that's a little tip. I've always done that, and the vegetables always come out tasting amazing. So let me do that. Okay, so I'm just gonna drizzle some olive oil over the top. That's probably good. Garlic powder. Just give it a good shaking. Let's put some black pepper. Then let's do some parsley flakes. And then some sea salt. Mediterranean sea salt, yum. All right, now we just go in and toss it. And you just do it with your hands. It's the best way I've learned to do it. It goes a lot faster. All right, guys, does that not look good? I had so many vegetables, I had to split them up. But anyway, they are seasoned and ready to go, and it smells amazing in the house. My daughter was upstairs. She goes, "Mom, are you cooking?" And I said, "Nope, I'm just preparing our dinner." And anyway, that's how good the seasoning smells on the vegetables. But anyway, now I'm going to figure out what I want to do with my meat. I'm not sure if I want to split the chicken up and marinate a portion of it or not. So I'm going to go see if I can find a good recipe, or I might just do, sea salt and coarse black pepper and call it a day. Okay, I've decided to keep it simple. I'm going in with just a little bit of olive oil. It helps prevent the meat from sticking, and it also, I think it kind of makes it tenderize a little bit faster. But anyway, I'm just gonna put just a very small amount, like that's it, and I'll coat it. Same thing with the chicken, just a very teeny amount, and then I'm gonna go in and season it up pretty much the same way. All right, with my ribeye steak, I just did salt and pepper. And with my chicken, I decided to keep the seasonings the same as my vegetables. So now I'm just gonna get in there with my hands, coat it real good, and then I'm gonna get them on skewers. The chicken is all coated and ready to go, and so is the meat. So now I just need to get my skewers out. So now I've lined a cookie sheet with some Reynolds wrap foil, and then I'm gonna start assembling all of that with these metal skewers. Okay guys, this is my first batch I have on skewers, and does this not look amazing? So full of color, so full of flavor. I can't even tell you how amazing these smell. And I think I'm gonna pair this meal with an arugula, pear, and goat cheese salad with some rice pilaf. And it's gonna be delish, absolutely delish. I highly recommend you try these. You will not be disappointed. So the kids are having some friends over, and I always like to make any event special. So let me show you what I've done to prepare for their friends coming over. So since we are doing some entertaining tonight for our kids, we always like to make it a good experience for all. So we got some stuff to do some s'mores. And those big giant flat marshmallows, those are awesome. So that'll be for tonight. I'm also gonna fill a huge apothecary jar downstairs in the basement with lots of candy. Now I know it's not healthy. I will have, fruit and other stuff to offer them, but when they're doing a movie night and a fun night with kids, it's always fun to have just a little container of candy for fun. Why not, right? My kids love these when they're watching a movie. And believe it or not, sometimes when we'll do a container of popcorn, they'll actually throw this in. They've got sweet and sour mixed with the salty popcorn. They swear it's good. I have yet to try it. Don't think I want to, but anyway, kids like this stuff. So we are having a bunch of kids over tonight, and they'll probably be going in a swim spa to splash around. So I picked up, these are cheap towels. They're nothing special, but they're cute. That's what this one looks like. So I got a few of those. This one has flip-flops. And another flip-flop one. And then I got a little fish one with seashells. Again, these are just good when the kids have their friends over and they didn't bring their towels. I can just have those rolled out into a basket, and then they can just take one when they get out. So also too, when we entertain, I come out here to the outdoor kitchen and I stock it full of drinks. So some of the kids already got into this, but anyway, you can see we've got a variety of drinks. And then bottled water. So for outside, they can just come over here to the fridge and grab a cold drink and sit down and relax. Now, if I want the house to look and smell pretty, let me show you what I do. Okay guys, I got this Better Homes and Garden wax warmer. To me, it looks like beach glass. I love it. And then I got a whole bunch of wax, different wax for the warmers. I picked up some wax melts. So I got this Yankee Candle Sun and Sand. It smells so good. It smells like you're right at the beach. It smells like suntan lotion. But I happen to love that smell. I grew up in the beach area, so to me it brings back fun memories of the beach. Then I picked up, what is this one? By the Pool. It smells really good, so you might want to check it out. It's a limited edition. And then this is my all-time favorite. It's Line Dry Linen, and these sold out really fast, so I grabbed the last 3. This is by far my favorite scent. It's my go-to scent when I want my house smelling amazing. So you might want to check these out next time you're at Walmart. Let's unbox this one and see what we've got inside. So this one is so pretty. It comes with a little light bulb and bubble wrap, and this is the top that you'll put your wax melt in. See, I just took a little cube out and then put the light in, plug it in, and you are good to go. In addition to that one, I got this one that plugs in, like you could plug this into a kitchen or bathroom, but I'm gonna put this either in the bathroom or the mudroom, to be honest, but it looks like this, and it's perfect for summer. I just took this out of the box, and it's awesome. It comes with a little night light in there. I actually bought extras because I didn't think it was gonna come with one. I didn't read it, I just grabbed it. Anyway, turns out you don't need one, so that's awesome. And then you can see right here, it's got a little place right here for you to put your wax. And here's the lid it comes with. So this is what you do in case you haven't done this before. So cube. I have done 2 before, but it fills it up too high. So if you bump it, you could have wax everywhere. So I have learned over time, just put 1 in. Plus, the more wax cubes you put in, the stronger the smell. So I just want it to be subtle, not too strong, not too overbearing. And anyway, let's go plug it in. So I just plugged it in our mud room where the dogs sleep, and this is gonna smell so good. It's just gonna smell amazing. I love this smell. It is so light and refreshing, and it just smells so good. Can you guys tell I like this scent? It's just awesome, and I love the little, looks like beach glass. Just love it. It's perfect, perfect, perfect for summer. And the color is so pretty. Wish you guys could see it better. In person, it looks even better. Okay, so here's that wax warmer, and as you can see, I have placed 2 wax melts in the top of this. So now I just need to let it warm up, and once it does, this house will be smelling so good, so good. Love that. And it ties in perfect with my little beach decor. Love it. Outside, the grill is hot and ready for the food. Wow. All right, guys, well, I just wanted to share a quick glimpse of me preparing before we have company. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope you guys have a wonderful and happy Memorial Day. And I'll see you guys Wednesday. Come back and see me. We'll be back in the throes of more summer coastal decorating. Bye, guys.